Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Seagate Backup Plus portable. It's a 5TB 2.5-inch drive. I got it actually cheaper than my expansion drive, which is a little bit interesting. Let's get to the unboxing. You also have some software, if I'm not mistaken, but it's not available in other countries, and Adobe Creative Cloud 2 months. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. So this drive is plug and play for Windows or Mac if you format it. It actually, I think it has a backup software in it, but I'm not using it as a backup, more likely as an external storage on the go. I will actually be comparing the hardware part with my Seagate expansion. Let's see. This is some paperwork. Milo Create. Okay. And the Backup Plus paperwork. And this is for Australia only. Okay. So the package is the same as the expansion. It comes in a foil. The USB 3.0. Oh, that was funny. Okay, let's move this to the side. And the drive itself. The expansion is all plastic. Let's see if it has some metal. Yes. So this is brushed aluminum on top, on the front side, and the rest is plastic. Okay. So this is a product of China, 5 terabytes. Okay. The LED is here, and the USB port is here. Actually, this is kind of compact. Let's compare the sizes. This is my 5 terabyte expansion drive. Okay. So they are basically the same size. But the funny thing, you can bend a little bit, as you can hear. And on the front, basically the same size. This is more squarish, the Backup Plus, and comparison on top of the other. So on the lower side is the expansion. No, on the upper side is Seagate expansion 5 terabytes, and the backup is lower. Okay. The LED is on the same side, but on the expansion is on the Backup Plus is a little bit smaller. This has a brighter in the dark glow. Also, this is also bendable a little bit. And the back, on the front is solid because of the brushed aluminum. I also put some feet on my Seagate expansion. It's some rubber feet, so it won't slide. It's a little bit harder to slide. Okay, I'll be connecting to my laptop, and I'll be running to my desktop first and then to my laptop to see the read time of the entire drive, what will it be, and to run some tests on the desktop. Let's get going. I have connected the external HDD. Let's get to the Sentinel. as you can see, ST5000LM000. Let's see the maximum temperature. The lifetime is 40. Let's see if we can get a bigger. Maybe this is a cooler drive, I don't know. The smart, as you can see, power on time count is 0, start stop it's 5. Okay, load unloads is to 9. Okay, this is flying hours is 0. Good. Let's start with the HD tune. We'll get to the backup Seagate Backup Plus. Let's get with the benchmark. I will show the finished result. So the test has finished. As you can see, the access time is 19 milliseconds, 0.7. The burst rate is 146, and it has an average of 105.9 megabytes per second, a maximum of 440, and a minimum of 61. I also found my oldest result on my 5 terabytes, the expansion drive. And as you can see, they're pretty comparable. Let's put me here. So the minimum is a little less, the maximum, the average is a little bit trickier. Okay, I think everything is in the same error. Okay, I will then go and do the file benchmark. So the benchmark is finished. As you can see, the read is 130 on average. The read and writes are up to 150, especially the write. Let's see on the Seagate, on the background. As you can see, I remember there were a little bit inconsistent, but in the final 100, so the write was lower on Seagate expansion than the Backup Plus. I also like to do the extra scans, extra tests. So the test is finished. The one on the right is the now test, and one on the left is the Seagate expansion. It's filmed on the YouTube, from the YouTube. As you can see, I'm frozen now, I'm analyzing the data. They're pretty comparable. Maybe a little bit of burst on the Seagate expansion. Okay, the test is finished. I will freeze the image for a couple of seconds. As you can see, the performance is pretty much comparable, no major differences. I think this is the both Seagates have the same HDD inside their rack. Okay, I'll be testing now the Crystal Disk Mark. This is the window. I will select the folder, the backup edge, and let's start the test. So the results are here. On the left is the Seagate Backup Plus, 5 terabytes. On the right is Seagate expansion, portable. So as you can see, the 4 kilobyte are pretty much the same, this row, and the upper row, I think this is the sequential read. It is an error because I did not formatted the drive, and maybe it has some fragmented files exactly on the first portion of the disk, and that's why it shows these results, because the read is slow and write is more than 25% faster. And compared to the other 5 terabyte drive, the difference is too big. But we will see at the full drive scan. Here at error scan, I'll be scanning on my laptop. I'll be starting in a couple of seconds for you, and see how the final scan time will impact, and how much you will need to backup and read the backup from this drive. So I have connected the drive, as you can see, the Seagate Backup Plus portable. The first block, the scan speed was 133.7 megabytes. I will resume when everything is finished, and you will see the elapsed time. Okay, this will be a long run. So from the time I started speaking, it already scanned around 8 gigs. The first part is faster and the latest part is slower. So the read has finished. As you can see, the Seagate Backup Plus portable. It has completed the position. The last blocks have been scanned at 83.6 megabytes per second, and it took 13 hours and 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Like if you like it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.